In this video, I'll show you how to reset Google Chrome to its default settings. Let's get started. First, open Google Chrome. Once it's open, look for the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on those three dots to open a drop-down menu. From that menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the settings page of Google Chrome. On the left-hand side, you will see a list of options. Scroll down and look for the Reset Settings option. Click on it. Now, you will see the option to restore settings to their original defaults. Click on this option. After you click on it, a confirmation window will appear. This window will show you a summary of what will be reset. This includes things like your homepage, search engine settings, and pinned tabs. If you're sure that you want to proceed, click on the Reset Settings button. Google Chrome will now start the process of resetting your browser to its default settings. This may take a moment, and that's it. You've successfully reset Google Chrome to its default settings. Thanks for watching.